In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed Excel in Confluence. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Apps over here in the top left, and you want to click on Explore More Apps. Now, there's a bunch of different ways to do this. I'm going to show you the one I use and I think is the easiest. So go to Search for Apps, and you want to type in Spreadsheet. Okay, like this, press Enter. A bunch of different things will open. You can use any of these you want, but I use this one, which is called the Element Spreadsheet. So just click on it, and then from here in the top right, you'll be able to click on Try for Free, and then whenever you do that, you'll be able to basically just select your page, and then click on Review and Start Trial, and then wait for a few seconds for this to actually get added. Now, when you add this, I've done this already, you have to also refresh the website to actually take effect, and then you can go back to your space, and then find the page where you actually want to embed the Excel. So I'm going to go to this one and click on Edit up top. Then in here, you want to position yourself where you want to embed, and you want to do a right click, Spreadsheet, and as you can see, it's going to find the element spreadsheet. Click on it, and now in here, it's going to start loading, and you can then import your spreadsheet over here. Okay, so let me show you. There we go. It says upload a file. So I can go and basically use XLS or XLSX, which are Excel files. So if I click on upload a file, I can go and find a, of course, Excel file on my computer. So let me actually find one over here. I don't know, maybe like this one. And I'm going to click on open. Whenever you do that, click on import. Then you can give it a name whenever this opens. So usually it's going to load for a few seconds, and then it's going to load in your table. So you'll be able to see kind of the preview. So if that doesn't open like instantly, just wait for a few seconds. There we go. Then go and title this. I'm going to name this one tutorial. And then what you can do is just click on the save button over here. Now, when it's saved, you can go and click on the X button. And as you can see, it's going to start loading, and then it's going to import over here. And that's how to embed Excel into Confluence. Just don't forget to update and save. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.